Sometimes I like to surf the web, but I don't like the website with the fonts they have, and a lot of images are distracting me. So here I have a very good app for you, which you can use on every single Android phone, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy it too. Hello there, my favorite merch that we are producing right now is the digital Apex one and the binary code flow. We are making monthly amazing designs. Make sure you check them out at thephonus.nl/shop. Enjoy the video. So first you have to go to the Play Store. Very easy to install your application. So let's go search and then go and search for Google Reading Mode. It depends on if you can find it or not, but it should be this one right here, Reading Mode Google LLC. So let's install this application. But first I want to show you why I'm very annoyed by it. Here we have the Google app. In the Google app you have news pretty much automatically. Here we have Windows 11 update allows installation on older PCs. Finding easier restrictions. This is already very annoying. I'm just gonna decline that. And this is all white mode and all, and so annoying. Let's fix that. So go back and make sure you open the app we have just installed, and here it says welcome to reading mode. So here I'm just gonna continue and go to the settings. First we have to enable a few things. Let's go to install apps, and then we have reading mode right here. We can actually select a reading mode shortcut. This is what you want to do. I'm just gonna click here on allow, and it depends on what you want to do. The side and up buttons, which is of course these ones right here, and this is what I'm probably gonna do. Unless you want to do hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. You can also do this. I'm probably gonna do that because I have a tablet. I'm just gonna select this one. Let's click here on settings. Here we don't have any settings. It just says feedback now. But let's get back to the app, and here we do have settings. You first have to go to the page. Use your shortcut. So here I have a very annoying page. I want to read this. So let's hold these buttons down for 3 seconds. Maybe it is annoying with these buttons, but let's hold it down. And now you will see use buttons for accessibility. Yes, it's probably the first time when you have that. I don't want to get my volume up. Thank you. I chose a very bad accessibility button. Wow. Let's just do side and volume up buttons. Okay. Here you go. Volume up and side. Here you go. I want to use this. Thank you. And now it should open. There you go. Reading mode makes long content easier to navigate, read and listen to. To play, to tap here, read it aloud. And of course adjust every single font and all you want. So let's click here on settings. You can make it bigger or smaller. Let's go to these settings and make it AMOLED black. I like this one because we have pretty much dark mode right now, and I really enjoy that compared to the page we just saw. You can change a lot of settings here, just like that. If poppings and all is better for you, you can also change the reading voice, play in the background. It means if you just play it right now,
Windows 11 update allows installation on all.
Yes, thank you very much. It's going to play in the background just like this. Very useful. I really like this feature. It's going to read the whole page for me. I can just make it stop, I'm pretty sure. And then it just never wants to stop anymore, imagine. Oh, here you go, this phone. Let's just disable that, there you go. Go back to the page. Let's say you have another page, very easy. You have the accessibility buttons on your own preferences. And here we have, of course, honey and all that news. Here we can just easily press the button, read the page like nothing is troubling you. I really enjoy making this video, and I hope you enjoyed watching it. It was very short and I really like this reading mode. Make sure you subscribe down below so I can make more videos like this for you guys and create better content. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.